Do this to get rid of gray hairs and have it very beautiful. If you are already appearing the first gray or the last, do not despair because there are natural methods that will restore that original beauty to your hair. A remedy for gray hair that works, of the many that are out there on the net, but with the certainty that its effectiveness, in this case, is more than proven. So, this is what you will need to get this natural capillary elixir. Ingredients: onion. And yes, nothing more than an onion. Whenever this is the smallest of all. If you only have medium or large onions, 1/2 will do. Always calculate a smaller or larger onion per capillary treatment session. Preparation. There are 3 ways to prepare this remedy for gray hairs. All these roots with the onion still as only ingredient, but varying the form of preparation of the same, by one of these variants. 1. Blend the onion, peel it and liquefy it in the blender. The result, a doughy juice, will be applied to the hair after giving us a good hot bath, thus ensuring that the pores of the skin are more open and absorb greater benefits of the onion. 2. Squeezed onion. Does not sound very appetizing for a juice, but for your hair there will be nothing better. With an even handheld juicer, as if you were making apple juice, get all the precious liquids from this weeping vegetable. 3. Onion grated. Another option is to grate it, although we are not interested in clumps of onion, so when using this option it is recommended to then paste the remaining product. Application. 1. Once we have obtained the onion juice following one of the 3 options mentioned above, we will use this cream as if it were just some kind of shampoo, but dry. Although it is advisable to do this after taking a shower to have wet hair and pores more open and therefore more likely to absorb all the healing potentials of the onion, as well as its proven anti-gray properties. 2. 45 minutes will be the ones that you must leave, at least, your hair to soak. Spend time a good shower again with some natural shampoo with a good smell, a bit, so that it helps to remove any possible residue of onion smell. A tip: the onion before liquefying, squeezing, or grating it, better remove the central heart to avoid a little more of the unwanted smell.